Place a piece of gold under a hydraulic press. What does gold look like when you start the hydraulics? You know, hydraulic presses are used in industry. It was originally used for reshaping parts. But now, hydraulic presses are often in the hands of many scientific experts. It becomes a tool for testing the hardness of objects. People also especially like to watch the hydraulic press to test lots of object hardness. No, like putting watermelons under a hydraulic press. In less than 3 seconds, the watermelon has become watermelon juice. And if you put a bottle of Coke under a hydraulic press, then the ending is actually, Coke bottles can't stand pressure, then jumped away. Like Coke, watermelons are common objects in life. Maybe you don't think it's new. But if you take a 1 kilogram gold bar to do an experiment, I'm sure it will be interesting. After starting the hydraulic press, the appearance of the gold bar quickly wrinkled. And the overall volume is also shrinking. And it didn't even take a moment for the gold bars to completely deform. And the gold bars are under repeated suppression. A circular imprint has appeared on the surface. Although such gold bars, it gives the appearance of a great pity. But gold bars can actually weigh. Newly burned to restored.